We found something that shouldn't be able to see us. A research team sent a camera 10,000 meters into the ocean. No light, no sound, just darkness. For hours, nothing moved, until something appeared. Not swimming, not floating, just watching. The camera started glitching, like something was looking back. Then a message appeared. You are too close. The feed cut, but the next day, the same message appeared on every screen in the lab. And now, when the lights go out, they hear something moving in the water, something that followed them up.